Hi everyone, my name is Elvis. I'm from Massimo Model. Today we're going to demonstrate you on how to install our new 2015 windshields for our 2015 models. Once you receive your 2015 windshield kit, this is what you get. You get your windshield and your 2 bags of hardware. Once you open both bags of the hardware, this should be all included. Next step on installing the new 2015 windshield, you want to grab one of your rubber cushions and install them and insert them to the windshield hose. And you do the same for all 6 hoses. Step 2 in installing the windshield is your bracket strap and your rubber padding. You insert the rubber padding into the strap like this. You align it with the roll bar, press firmly, close, adjust it. This is your turnbuckle, and it should just snap on like that. Step 3, grab your windshield, mount it to the front of the unit. Make sure it's aligned with the rubber cushion and the thread hole. So unstrap it a little bit, align it, snap it back in place. Now inside there it should be straight. Once you have the hose lined up, you grab your washer, you insert it into the rubber cushion, press firmly, then you grab your Phillips screw, kind of nudge it a little bit to get the aligned it. Grab your Phillips screwdriver. Voila. You do the same to all 6 hoses. Once you have all your bracket straps, your washers, and your screws all safely and secured, this is what it should look like. Thank you very much. We appreciate your business here at Massimo Model.